my name's Hannah. I'm 13 years old, and I'm gonna walk you through my day. Shouldn't be that interesting, but I mean, whatever. Okay, now where did I put my phone? Oh, ew, poop! Oh no, Sparky, ew! Ew, no, you could've told me that you know it outside. Nope. Okay, put my hair in a pony. Okay. We should probably get dressed now because I should get my day started. Okay, there you go, Sparky. Eat your breakfast. Start a load of laundry. There you go. Let's go get my school stuff. Let's get my pencil, my lunch, my water bottle, and my notebook. I feel like this is gonna be a good day. Bye, Sparky. School sucks. I'm never going back. Sparky? Hi. I love you, Sparky. Bye, Sparky. I love you. Huh. I love you, Sparky.